Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, extend it, and at least for me it's on the second page. You will see the power saving mode right here, an icon with the battery on it. So you can simply tap on it and you can see that the battery turns yellow, so now it's in power saving mode. You can also hold it and this will take you to the settings of battery, where you can also see how long it will last right now. So you have available about 1 day and 14 hours. So you have also performance mode, which will decrease the battery. Power saving options, so sleep standby optimization, I would keep that on. It will allow your device to have a little bit more battery when you're not using it. It will just kind of limit the stuff that aren't necessarily needed during, for instance, night. But yeah, that is how you would enable it. And once you want to disable it, just go back here and tap on the icon again, and this will disable the power saving mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.